Unlock potential savings on your car insurance by easily installing your Allstate Milewise device. First, let's get your Milewise device unboxed. Inside, you'll find the OBD reader, which is the heart of your mileage tracking, and a quick start guide. Ensure you have your device and the guide ready. Now, find your car's OBD port. This is a standardized connector, typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It's usually a trapezoidal shape. Take the Milewise OBD reader and align it with the port. It will only fit one way, so don't force it. Gently push the device into the port until it's securely seated. You should feel a slight click or resistance once it's fully connected. Once plugged in, turn your car's ignition to the on position. You'll see the indicator lights on the Milewise device illuminate, confirming it has power and has successfully connected. The next step is to download and open the Allstate mobile app. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in or create an Allstate account. Within the app, navigate to the Milewise section. You'll be prompted to activate your device. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve entering a device ID found on the device itself or its packaging. Once activated, your Milewise device will begin accurately tracking your mileage. You can monitor your driving habits and see your potential savings right within the app. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Allstate Milewise device. Start driving and enjoy the benefits of smart, monitored mileage.